That's one right there, a turkey neck.
So as you can tell by the title, I am doing a seafood boil, smothered and cooked. I don't know if it's smothered, cooked, but I'm cooking it in the beloved sauce. Ooh! I made this sauce probably like about 3 days ago, and we're going to actually cook or somewhat simmer the seafood in it. I'm going to actually call it a country seafood boil. I have shrimps, I have sausages, I have corn, I have eggs, and I have potatoes. Oh, I forgot about that. I have turkey necks. Yes, I have turkey necks. Everything is pretty much cooked except for the shrimps, because the sausages is pre-cooked, the corn is pre-cooked. I cooked the turkey necks. Y'all know that took about 3 hours to cook. These are the turkey necks. They look good already, but I wanted to simmer a little bit more in the beloved sauce. Oh. I'm gonna add the sausages. This is a Texas hot link. If you in Texas, let me know if you know about the Texas hot link. The potato. See if I can stick this corn in here. Add the turkey necks. Woo! Simmer turkey necks. And shrimp's not gonna take that long. I don't know. I washed and cleaned the shrimps. Look at that. Don't that look good? And that beloved sauce, baby. Here you go. Country, low country seafood boil. Yum, baby. Yeah, that looks so yummy. Here, grab you some. Come on over.
Let's eat the turkey neck. That's one right there, a turkey neck. Wow. That's good.